Everyone, today I have a very special item to review. I've been, dying to get my hands on Kindle for a long time. I've been using tablets for reading books, but I know that Kindle is a way to go. So today is an entry-level base model. It's Kindle 2022 model, which is 16 gigabytes. And I'm going to show you how it looks. And I'm going to unpack it with you. I really like the way it has been packed. That's the tablet, the reader itself has a manual, some important information. I really like the way it has been included. This is the very famous logo. Here's a charging cable, and charging cable is using USB-C because it's the latest model. It's 6-inch screen, so I'm going to open it up and show you. So that's how it looks. It's 6-inch. That's the back of it. It's made of just a regular plastic. It's really light, and here's a charging port and power button. So if you want to turn it on, just hold for a couple of minutes and then it opens up. So it's waking up right now. I was in the process of setting it up. I'm really impressed with how quick everything is. When you're reading the book and turning pages, it refreshes really quick. It has 300 dpi compared to the previous models, and it also has lots of different options. The battery is really strong, so I charged it up when it came. It's actually recommended not to charge like 100%, but overall I like how it works. As you can see, it's really quick. It's finding my Wi-Fi, and then you just log in and you'll be good to go. I can set it up later. I'm going to finish it later. I'm just going to show you how quickly it's supposed to be working in terms of refreshing. Right now I'm not signed up to any account. I'm not logged in. There's no Wi-Fi, that's why it's not loading my library, but you can tell that it's really easy to use, and touchscreen is really responsive, and the lighting is good, so you can read in any lighting. So I'm really looking forward to using it, and thank you for watching.